Hey guys, so today we're going to change out the headlight bulbs on my 2018 Toyota Rav4. It's got the projector type headlights to it. I picked up some LEDs because I keep on having to replace these about every 6 months to a year, and so it's time to switch to something that lasts a little bit longer. Now let's take a look and see what we got dealing with it. Before I change them out, I figured I better go ahead and turn the lights on so we can see what we're dealing with. That's how bright they are before. And let's see how they turn out afterward. So what I picked up was these Cougar motor LEDs. That's the model number and everything. These are going to be the 9012 version. I believe they were about $39.99, which is about 20 to 30 bucks less than what I've been paying for the Sylvania bulbs. And a little bit different style, but I think they're going to work just fine. They got the right mounting base to it. I'm trying to do this one-handed. And they can be clocked. They have a ring here that can be twisted, so you can change the position. Let's see if I can change it here without putting the camera down. There we go. So you can change the position of them. I believe straight up and down is what they're supposed to be, or side to side. Of the LEDs on each side. So I'm going to try installing them and see how it turns out. Okay, see if we can do this. So it's going to be the one furthest out. I'm just going to twist the bulb about 45 degrees, and it should come out of its place there. I could drop the wiring harness first, but there we go. There we go, and then I'm going to have to use both hands to get that disconnected from the wiring harness. Okay, and on the wiring harness there's just this little detent thing here that you just push in on, and then that releases it. Okay, let's see how this will work. So, you place my bulb, and I'm not going to be able to get this in there and have you guys see it at the same time, I don't think. Let's see here. It feels like it is in place. Just turned it. That should be locked in. That's the worst camera angle ever. As you can see, it is in place, and probably can't see it. It's got a little bit of wiggle there, which bugs me. I don't know why it wants to wiggle. It doesn't feel like it is really seated. I'm going to give it a shot though. I'm going to go do the other one and get them all connected. Actually, just connect this one. So on this one, it's going to have this piece right there, and that should fit. If I can get this back into position there without dropping my camera. That's not locking on. There it did. That snapped. Cool. Let's do that to the other side and give it a shot. Okay, let's give this a shot. Let's see, there's high beams. Yep, shows high beams. Let's see. I don't know how I feel about that. It looks like it's got a twin, like because of that way that blade is, that separates the beam there. I don't know how I'm going to like that. I'm going to wait till it gets a little bit darker. I'm going to take it for a run down the road. They are adjustable where you can tilt that. I don't know if that would be better, having it up and down like that or not. You know, where it's top and bottom, or keeping it side to side. I'll wait till it gets dark and I'll take it for a run and see how it turns out. Well, as you can see, it's a pretty good amount of light. It's not as much as I'm quite used to. And the reason why I say that is on camera it looks like way more light than there really is. It is lighting up the road pretty good. I am on a side street here, so I'm not on the main road. I don't see where it's angled up where it'd be blinding anybody. That's what my biggest concern was, is if I'd be blinding people with these, because I'm not used to LED headlights. But the cutoff line seems to be fairly low. It doesn't seem like it's up. It seems like it's about the same level as what my old headlights were, so that's doesn't seem to be an issue. Lights up the signs just fine, so that's going to work out really good. I'm going to go ahead and test drive these for a little while and just see how they are. For 39 bucks, if it honestly, if they last, the only thing kind of worries me is they do have like little fans on the back of them. I guess for a heat sink. Color-wise, the colors seem to pop with these lights a lot better than the old ones did. The old ones were kind of that yellowy looking look to it. They were the, I believe, Silverstars that I was using, and I kind of like the way that these look a little bit better. It seems like the colors pop a lot better. High beams are insane, but I do like the way the traffic signs, the markers on the road and everything lights up pretty good with them. So I think I'll go ahead and go with it. Anyway, if you're interested in them, I'll put a link down in the video description on them. Of course, you got to find the ones that'll work in your vehicle. This particular Toyota Rav4, it uses the 9012 bulbs, but you got to pick out whatever works best for you. So whenever I very first installed these lights, that was in, I believe it was April 2nd. And now we're, what, October 22nd right now? And this is the passenger side. As you can see, there's two distinct lines there, you know, because each side of the lamp has an LED. When I go over here to the driver's side, I only have one now. The outer LED on the lamp has went out just within the last week. So that gives me 6 months of use with these Cougar motor 9012 lamps. I believe I paid 39 bucks for them, and you know, for the most part they've been great. I absolutely love the color of them. I love the brightness, you know, going down the road. They're not super bright, but they're definitely brighter than what I used to use. With that said, the old bulbs I used, which were the Sylvania, I believe it was the Silverstar. I'll put them up on the screen here. I used to use those. They used to cost, I think it was like 69 or 70 bucks, and get about 6 months out of them before the driver's side would always go out. So, you know, price wise this was cheaper. It lasted about the same amount of time, but I definitely want to try a different brand out. So this pretty much concludes the installation and the 6 month mark, and I'm just gonna go ahead and switch it out. I'll finish out the video by showing you what it looks like going down the road. Okay guys, so as you can see, the light is mainly toward the center of the lane, to the right, but not so much to the left. Same way when I turn on the high beams, which I'm not going to do because I have a car coming. But anyway, this is going to complete my review and installation of these bulbs. You know, still 6 months, not too bad considering the price compared to what I've paid in the past. But thank you very much, guys, for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.